Hey friends, I hope you all doing great. And today I will again write a program for checking a number is prime or not. So at this time I will use a function. I have already made a video about checking prime number, but I don't think that one is pretty good. So I'm back again. So let's do it. Prime.c and include header file stdio.h and main function. Let's ask for the input, enter a number, integer n, and scan that number, %d, address of n, and now let's say if is prime, we'll make that function is prime n returns 1, then we'll print percent %d is a prime number. Okay, %d is n, and else %d, okay, let's make it similar, %d is not a prime number, and again % is n. So that's it, and let's make a function that is going to return an integer and name is prime. Okay, and accept an integer, and if n is equal to 2, then return 1 because 2 is a prime number, and after that we just need a variable that is going to start from 3, initialize it with 3, and a for loop I is equal to 3, that's same, I less than equal to is square root of n, and I plus plus if n modular divisible by I is equal to 0, then return 0 because it's not a prime number, and at the end return, because it's, if it is not returned from here, that means it is a prime number, so return 1. And one more thing, you can do I plus plus once again, because it will increase by 2, actually 3, 5, 7, like that, odd numbers only, because it's quite useless to with check with even numbers actually. And one more thing we need to add here is, for even numbers we can just check it once by dividing it by 2, so it will just check it is a even number or not. So for checking it once is enough, you don't need to check it with 4, 6 and 8, so you just need to check it with odd number, so it will increase once here and once here, so only check with odd number. So let's save it and run it. So before you run it, just include this header file here, math.h, and copy this first line of your function and paste it before main function, so that the compiler knows that you are going to use this function. Okay, and don't forget to give that semicolon after that signature prototype of that function, and let's compile it. And g plus plus prime.c, so no syntax errors, and let's run it. Enter a number, let's say 23. 23 is a prime number, and you can give a new line here and another new line here. Okay, so that's all. 23 is a prime, 2 is a prime, 10 is not prime. So that's all. See you in the next video.